Hey everyone, Lizzie Marie here with the Sparrow's Nest, and today I am taking you through Hobby Lobby to check out their Christmas decor. I love this lighthouse here. Very pretty. Here we have like a neutral tone farmhouse style. I love all these neutral tone trees. We got the gold mixed in there. Very gorgeous gold unicorn? That's a reindeer, not a unicorn. I wish it was a unicorn because I love unicorns. And here we have all sorts of trees. I got these white trees last year and I really love the look of it. I put them on my farmhouse entryway table and they look really nice. And here we have more trees. They have all sorts of styles of trees. And check these out. These are gorgeous. I don't even like pink, and I found these pink reindeer just absolutely stunning. And Hobby Lobby has so many like home decor signs. These were just a few of my favorite ones. But they have aisles of these home decor signs. And here we have what looks like, I don't know, I guess you'd call it, to me it looks like an old-fashioned style. You got like the plaid, you got the red birdhouses, you got the cardinal, you got that old-fashioned truck and the bears. I love this. This is so pretty to my eyes, so aesthetic to my eyes. This kind of goes along with those pink reindeer I showed you earlier. Check out this feather pink tree. Oh my gosh, I love it. We got a very pretty white and silver reindeer. Some very fancy swans. Fun fact, I actually got attacked by a swan when I was little. I tried to like touch its babies. And here we got a cute, furry, adorable owl. And next here, we have very gold decor. This like reminds me of like some sort of like Greek god decor. Like if you walked into like one of the Greek gods' house, like this is how they would decorate for Christmas. So much gold. Check out this spectacular Zeus looking decor. This is fabulous. No shortage of gold trees here. All different types of gold trees. This is fantastical. Ooh, look at this emerald green sleigh. I love this. It's gorgeous. I love emerald green and gold. And here we have some stunning emerald green glass trees. Wow. And moving on to a not as elegant fancy section. This is more like, has like a very fun, playful style. We got all our elves here in the pink and the green. And check out that cheetah Christmas tree. I know a couple of friends that would love that. Specifically my friend Kimmy. This is a fun sign. And here we have all the gingerbread you could want for all your gingerbread needs. We got our gingerbread houses, gingerbread stuffed animals, gingerbread advent calendar. Hot chocolate bar sign. A lot of people right now are doing hot chocolate bars. So apparently that's like the popular in thing to do right now. And this looks like it's the cookie jar section. We got gnome cookie jar, gingerbread cookie jar, Santa cookie jar, all sorts of cookie jars. So this is your hot spot for milk and cookies for Santa. I really like this gnome cookie jar. My son really liked this cup here. And here's all the snowmen. So first you saw all the gingerbread, now here are all of the snowmen. So what I love about Hobby Lobby, it is a one-stop Christmas shop. You have everything that you could need here. If you're into gingerbread, they got you covered. If you're into snowman, they got you covered. If you're into gold, crazy stuff, they got you covered. If you're into swans, they got you covered. And here's some snowman farmhouse. They have a lot of farmhouse Christmas stuff this year because that is like the very in thing right now. And then we have, check out all this plaid stuff. And all the nutcrackers you could possibly need. Any type of nutcracker you could want is here. I personally do not like nutcrackers. They freak me out. But I know a lot of people like them. These princess ones are really pretty though. Ooh, what do we have here? This is like a vintage Christmas. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at your vintage reindeers. We got your Yeti. This is fantastic. I love it. Yetis. I love Yetis. Aw, look at these vintage reindeers. Oh, these are gorgeous. I love them. And here we have like a vintage fa la la sign. Oh, I so would have gotten those all, but I'm broke this year. And here we have gnome. These are super popular right now. I've been seeing a lot of people making these. Here's a little vintage TV, but it's like a music thing. It turns on. And of course, we cannot have Christmas without the Grinch. Moving on to all the garlands. These are like the neutral tone garlands. The ones looks like wooden ones. Then we got our pinks and golds. I normally don't like pink, but for some reason, this pink gold style is really growing on me for Christmas. Here's some more garlands, cotton garlands. Red truck, old-fashioned red truck garland. Gold feathers. These are cute. I picked these up. And like I said, this pink is growing on me for Christmas. I just love like that Cinderella feel. And for all you plaid lovers, they have all types of plaid ornaments. These are really cute. I like these. And here is some stocking hangers. I used to look everywhere for stocking hangers and I couldn't find them. And now I know where to look. Hobby Lobby has tons of them. Look at this cute fox. I love foxes. Got these beautiful reindeers. Yeah, so they have all sorts of stocking hangers. And these are all 50% off right now. And of course, what is Christmas without baby Jesus? I hope you enjoyed the video and happy decorating!